Hello everyone. Welcome to my channel with another great side hustle idea. In this video, I will show you how you can create amazing QR code for your services and other businesses. Basically, QR codes are frequently used to track information about product in a supply chain. Its main purpose to target the customer in an efficient way. So let's start. So open your browser and write here QR code. Then scroll down and click on this website www.qrcodemonkey.com. This is the largest website which provides a fast way to create QR code by the drag and drop method. You can see I have opened a new tab. Now I will open another app site like youtube.com for KDeer. The QR code of youtube.com. So simply copy the URL and I will paste it in here. Now I will paste the other URL here and then click on Generate QR Code. When I click on Create QR Code button, then it will generate a static and simple QR code for YouTube. You can see it is very simple and static QR code. Now I will customize it. So for customization, I will design it in multiple shapes and create colors. So simple. I select the for background color and enable eyes, color and color gradients. So here we need HTML color code. So how do we get HTML color code? So don't really have to open your browser. Right here is HTML color code. Select any website randomly. You can choose any website. It's not a specific website. If you not know HTML color code for colors, you will open a website forgetting the idea and forgetting the code about HTML. I am still trying to find the best website for getting an idea of the HTML color code. Okay, finally I found one. I will open this website into a new tab. Let me check, or it is a coding-based website. We still need HTML coding. So now I am still checking for HTML color code. This website is not providing the color code. Now I have opened other websites. Now you can see here this website, the HTML color codes. So simple. I will copy here red color code and go to qrcodemonkey.com. Now I have opened qrcodemonkey.com and I will paste it here. You can see when I paste it the color had changed into that. Now I will paste it here also to change the eye color. I will click on Create QR Code. When I click on Create QR Code, then you can see the gradient curves have inserted into our code, and it looks amazing. Let me explore more functionality of this website. So I will insert a logo in behind the QR code or in center part by clicking on Add Logo Image. If you have your own logo, then you can upload here by clicking on Upload Image, and this website provides some default logos already created. I have selected and then click on Create QR Code button and you can see the logo have inserted into QR code in center. So now I will remove background behind the logo. So simple. I have checked this option and click on Create QR Code button. When I click on Create QR Code button, then you can see logo has inserted without background in the center of the code. Let's discuss about customizing the design. I clicked on Customer Design button, and if I select this option, then click on Create QR Code, you can see the design has changed. So now I will change the eye shape and eyes frame. First, I will change the frame by clicking on this option, then click on Create QR Code. When I click on Create QR Code, the shape will be changed. Now you can see here the image has become a part of the code. So now I will change it and select this option and click on Create QR Code button. Now I will customize the eyes. So I will select any option here. Now I have selected the circle option, click on Create QR Code button, and now you can see your shapes has changed. Now I will click on Download button for download the app QR code. So this website provided some options to download in different formats, but I recommend you download it as PNG file. So I click on the download button. When I click on the download button, it starts downloading the QR code to my desktop or gallery. Just need to wait here for complete the download process. so you can see I have downloaded, and I will show you that it really looks amazing. If you want to get more videos like this, then please subscribe to my channel and like the video. Comment below if you got some value from watching this video.